The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a snow squall warning for southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, until 12:35 p.m. At 12:05 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located near Union Mills, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 234 and 244. Interstate 57 between mile markers 324 and 337. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 12 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 20 and 36. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile marker 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 125 and 261. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Park Forest, Chesterton, Hebron, Griffith and Dyer. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. There is no safe place on the highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, make it difficult if impossible to slow down. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a snow squall warning for southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois,